Hey guys. Well, right now I'm on this game. It's called Rocket Launch. It's a new game. It's kind of like a new game. And it's technically where you just fly rocket ships and try and upgrade them. And, yeah, that's about it. Let's,
3, 2, 1, go.
Sorry if it's too loud. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'll take that. You ready? Pew! My dad's downstairs watching some basketball. If you filled out a bracket, tell me in the comments who you put for the champion. Yeah, so technically this is technically all you do. I know it's pretty boring, but, it's technically this, and then you can hit the booster, and then you just got a little bit of, fuel. Oh, here's some, come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, crap. Scared me. Yeah, so this is about it for this game. You can see my highest on the right. Okay. So we have a lot of money. I mean, not a lot, but we do need to upgrade this stuff. And look, it's about 5,000 for each of these. But I don't know, what should I upgrade? The engines, sure. No, let's save up our money. Yeah, let's use this one. Why not?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, let's see how this one goes. And also, my next video will probably be on Clash Royale, because I've been playing that for a while, but I haven't done a video on it. So, yeah, I have some more games as well. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Some fuel. There we go. Whew. Make it through. Some more fuel. That helps us. We can refuel that. Okay, see. That was funny. Yeah. Come on, I need some fuel. I know I just missed one. Okay, good. There we go. That helped us. Don't hit anything. Okay. Okay, should we go through the cloud? Yeah, why not? What? It didn't give it to us. I need some fuel, bros. Here we go. Okay, so now we're falling down. Oh, I just hit a plane. I will blow up eventually, right in the middle of the air. Yep. Okay, so we're at 9,000. I guess we could buy something. No, not that. No, not this one. Okay. Oh boy. I have no idea which one to buy. Oh my gosh. The fuel is actually really good on this, so I'm not gonna upgrade that yet. I already have it really upgraded. I'll probably do the engines. Yeah, we'll do the engines. Okay, is there... Okay, I'll upgrade this once. Twice. Okay, so now we can... Okay, let's try this one now.
3, 2, 1, go.
See the fuel on this thing? Okay, so in this video I'm gonna try and like beat my best. I've gotten really close to beating my best before. I need some fuel here, bro. Oop, okay. Okay. Oh, okay, there we go. Here's some fuel. I think it really, like, almost refills the whole thing. Yeah. This one is actually really good when you have it really upgraded. Because this thing, this rocket here that I'm flying was 30,000 coins. So, yeah, it cost quite a lot. And I'm barely even, I don't even barely need any, what do you call it? Come on, gas. So, I mean, this isn't, if you don't like, you know, like this kind of a game, then don't get it, I guess. But it's pretty fun, I guess, you could say. Oh, jeez. Toxic waste. That doesn't do anything wrong to you. It just refills your boost. Which is, yeah, boost. So, we're actually going really high with this thing. So, hey. There we go. Okay, hit a plane. That's okay. Go faster. Get the fuel. Okay. No, we're going through there. There we go. There we go. Hey, we're doing really good right now. My best is up to like space, like the beginning of space, and there's like black holes, so just hopefully I get up there. I'll definitely get super close. I need some fuel. There's rarely fuel up here, so it's gonna be hard to find some fuel. Come on. Where is the fuel? Oh no. Fuel! There we go. Hey, that helped out pretty good. Now I need some more fuel. Okay, so I'm getting close. I need some fuel. Come on. Should I do this? Okay, here we go. That actually wasn't too bad. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez, what the heck? Why are you going over there? Toxic waste. There we go. Hey, that actually worked out really well. We're almost at our best. There's the black hole. You do not want to go near those at all. Like I just did. New record, yes. Come on. Further. Further. No, no, no. Okay, good. We're actually doing really good. Go. Yes, we actually did really good. Now it's gonna take a while to fall down. We got pretty far over our best. We're picking up fuel as we go down. Okay. There we go. See, look, we got 10,000 from that. Jeez. This thing's really good. Especially when you upgrade these. Okay, so what should I upgrade now? Wings, fuel. I should probably... I know you guys are gonna get mad at me if I do fuel. And if I do... Oh my gosh, I'm doing fuel. Sure, we'll do that. Okay. Okay. Let's go one more time. This will be the last one.
1. Go.
Okay. I'm trying to improve my channel as good as I can. If only I had a screen recorder for my Xbox One, I would be doing that a lot. But I don't, so it's kind of hard. And I hit a helicopter. I need some fuel, come on. Give me some fuel. Fuel. Toxic waste. Some fuel for some fuel. Jeez, we just got a lot of fuel. Duck! Quack quack! Oh jeez, I just made that thing fly. Well, it hit the plane and that plane. Wow. There's a bunch of ducks flying around. Okay, let's get this. Okay, sick. Okay. Hey, if you hate school, like the video. Because, you know, school is my enemy. Come on, let's do this. I'm not gonna beat my record this time. We're getting into the flat clouds. I need to get... There we go. Toxic waste. There we go. I just did a little bit of refueling. Oh, I need to fuel. Oh, man. Okay. Let's... Oh, jeez. We need some fuel. Fuel. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. More fuel. Yes. Go. Yeah, more fuel. Oh, yes. That was actually really good. That was a nice save. Okay, if we could actually manage to, beat my record again, that would be so good. Should I pew? Okay, let's pew. Hup! Okay, good enough. Let's rebuild. We're actually getting pretty high with this thing. This thing is pretty cool. It's actually really good. But the next 2 rockets you have to buy with money. Okay, let's go there, I guess. Okay, I need some more fuel. Okay. We're actually going really high. Oh, if we could actually beat our record, that would be really good. Doubt it, though. Toxic waste. Hit! Fuel! We're actually doing really good. If I could... Come on. If I could beat... Fuel. Yes, fuel. Fuel. More fuel. Are you kidding me? I missed it. Good enough. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video off there. I had some fun. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.